Hey y'all, tonight I'm going to be working on my design team project for Crocodile. Her shop is over on Ko-fi, and I'm going to be working with her kit titled Allure en Danse. And there are all of these ladies who are fussy cuts. And then there were some of these pieces. There were 4 of these ladies that I printed, and I thought these would be cute to make some double pockets with. So that's what I'm gonna start with, and hopefully I've been trying to fix the background static sound on my videos. I don't know what's going on with that. Apparently it's a problem on some of the iPhones. So I've been trying to fix that, so hopefully you can hear this video okay and the background noise is quieter. So I have these 4 ladies. I think I want to keep these 2 as a set and these 2 as a set. And I have some of this paper that I purchased from a fellow journal crafter. It is notebook paper thickness, so I will need to thicken it up a little bit with some cardstock. So I am going to do that. And I have some, oops. Fiddle over here. I thought I had everything that I needed together. I have some cardstock here. So let me see how I want to do this. I liked them rather than this way, which they're cute this way, but I liked them this way. On this paper. I did. Now I am not planning on doing any inking in this journal or on these journal pieces because I want to keep it mostly black and white. And I'm just coming in from the edge of the paper so that I have room to cut these out when I back them onto cardstock. So I put glue on both sides and across the bottom to make a pocket here. And I'm gonna do the same thing for all 4 ladies. Just gonna glue across the side, across the bottom, and across the other side. dry for a minute and get another piece of this paper. Glue these other two ladies on. Some glue there I didn't want there. Okay. Glue this one on. Okay. I'm gonna take a cutter. And I'm just barely cutting on the inside of this line. So these are coming out to about 3 3/4 inches wide. Save these pieces because I don't know how this project is going to go yet. Like not being able to measure across there. So pull this out. Let's do five and a half inches tall. right size. Okay, and cut these. I'm being slow because this paper is so thin. And sometimes if you get into too big of a hurry with these slider cutters and the blades, this blade needs to be replaced, it'll tear your paper. Being that I can't get any more of this paper right now, I don't want to tear any. Okay. So I have these 4 pieces, and I know I need to back them onto some cardstock. So I have one piece here that's a cutoff. And then I have another piece that has something printed on it, but that I won't use necessarily to craft with. So I will glue this down. To thicken this up. I really should be using book pages. I just don't have any at my desk right this minute. So I'll use this. Oops, let's not tear her. And I just started gathering the pages to actually create the signature for this journal. So what I'll do is I will get my pages together. And let's say this is my journal page. Okay. Because this is thicker, I can glue it down on 2 sides and make a tuck spot, or I can glue it on 3 sides and make a top loading pocket, and then there's also a pocket here. Okay, simple, but it does make quite the impact on a page. So I like these. You could cut a thumb hole notch here, but I didn't. When I glued it, I just glued thinly across the top, so there wasn't, if I had glued further down, I could have made a top notch here. But because this paper is so thin, I did not want to put a lot of glue on this paper. But I do like how these look. So I'm happy with these, so I'll be able to have 2 places to put things. And then I will finish the rest of these up off camera. Thanks for watching, y'all.